Hi guys, this is my makeup fashion video. First, to make out, all you need is some lipstick. There you go. Nice pink lips. And then, I just want to go over with a little sparkle pink. And then, you want to grab some this snowflake stuff. Twist it up. And I also eat some of it. You can actually try this stuff. I know it's real lipstick, but it tastes really good. So all you need to do is put a spick of that on.
I would just want them to know how much of a positive impact Ryan had on my life when he was here.
And then you just want to grab some hand lotion. Just want to grab some hand lotion if you can see that.
I really miss him.
Just want to grab some hand lotion. Open it up. Get some lotion on your hands for your date. You're gonna look beautiful after that.
President orders everyone to wear masks after 2 aides test positive for the virus. Those close to President Trump have been tested daily.
And there you go, guys. My makeup. Go on Brooke's Corner. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Give me a huge thumbs up. Bye.